Hi guys, my name is Rishabh and I'm not really a badminton champion or what, but still I have got some knowledge and I will share it with my subscribers. I'm going to tell you which type of cover you should buy for your racket and which type of cover is good for your racket. So this is a Yonex badminton cover. This is for GR303 racket of Yonex, which comes under rupees 500, and you can see this cover is not really padded from inside. You can fold it like this. It's like a trash. So I would not recommend it, because if you are taking your racket into this, if this will bend, if your racket will bend, or if some force will push it, there is a good chance that your racket will get bent like this. It will get bent. So these type of covers, they are really cheap. Yeah, this Yonex thing, this will just enhance your things and all, but still this is only for style. There is nothing that you can do for this cover, so it's waste. Now this is Adrenex cover, R401 racket in it, full carbon graphite shaft. Okay, so I got this racket for around 500 rupees, and this is not really a padded cover. You can see, you can fold it easily, but still you get some protection, because it's not really very easy to just fold it. So you get some sort of protection with this, but still the racket is not really good. So you can buy these type of cover. I mean, there are 2 to 3 layer of cloth in it. Yeah, you can go for it. Covers like this. Now coming to another thing, this is the Costco cover, and this is really good. This racket costed me around 900 rupees, and this is CBX 320, well padded cover. You can see I can't fold it. There is some thermocol or something like this, cardboard or anything, but this is really good. You can't really fold it. It's really hard. So if you're carrying your racket in this, if some force is acting on it, it will not get bent easily. It may get bent, but not very easily. So this is a very nice cover. But again, the racket is not really good. The cover is really good. So you can buy these type of covers, which are padded Costco covers. Now this is a leaning cover, and this racket costed me around 900 rupees, but you can see the cover, very easily foldable. So this cover won't offer your racket much of the security, but yeah, this leaning brand logo and all, it will help you. This is only for style, no security and all. Coming to the last one and my personal favorite, this Yonex cover. Yonex 8000 Carbon X cover, really well padded. You can't fold it, and it offers you maximum security. So what you need to do is, when you purchase a cover, you have to look inside it and see if it's padded. If you can see one of this skin, this layer coming out, and you can hold it into your hands, and one of the layer outside, this offers maximum security to your racket, because if this gets bent or anything like this, there will be no problem regarding this. So I would recommend you to buy these type of covers. These are really good. No matter if the cover is of Yonex or not, you can buy some other brands cover also. This will cost you around 200 to 300 rupees. I will give you link in the description. You can buy from all those links. So these were my covers. Hope you like my video, and stay tuned for more videos like this.